India's leading institute for medical engineering and foundation preparation is now in Vasco, Ponda and Mapsa. Fulfill your dreams of becoming a doctor or engineer with ACCUSES BAIJUS. Enroll for instant admission cum scholarship test. Admissions open.
See, we have already got all the clearance from all the competent authorities as far as to go ahead with the project. There are some aggrieved parties to say. So they have gone to the Supreme Court on some issue. They have not got any stay whatsoever. Our process as far as tendering and all is concerned, it is going on. Within 1 month's time, everything will be in place. See, we have already what we have done there is we have already fenced the place. This was in 2005. The land, see the land. Can you see any construction around this? And you see this thing is now fresh. So where buffer zone is concerned, I have got 2 letters from the chief town planner basically in 2020. This is a letter 2020 by chief town planner saying that they have kept 500 meters of a buffer zone. I have got another letter basically in 2021 changing the same, moving the goalpost from 500 to 200 meters. Same town planner has said, and it clearly says that no technical sanctions should be basically given within the radius of this. Now if you go to see, now this is the compound boundary wall of our garbage treatment plant where it's going to come. There is not even a meter's gap. Buffer zone Mr. Dikamar Kamath in the regional plan in 2011. So these buildings have come after that. So why this goalpost? Who has changed this goalpost? That is ultimately town planning minister should find out and take the department officials to task.
बाबुशाचे बफर झोनाबद्दलचे वक्तव्य चुकीचे. रिजनल प्लानान बफर झोन बायंगिणी कोयरा प्रकल्पाच्या सुवातेनूच दाखयला म्हण TCP मंत्री विश्वजिताचें ट्वीट. प्रुडंटा खातीर लौकीक शिलकार आनी स्वप्नील तारी.